Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, we are making cabbage chili soup. If you haven't had cabbage chili soup, you are in for a treat. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. We're gonna start by browning the ground beef in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Cut the ground beef into small bite-sized pieces, just like so guys. I'm so excited to make this recipe guys. I've been craving for chili soup and today it was very chilly outside. Then it motivated me to make this chili soup. We're gonna brown the meat until it's no longer pink, stirring occasionally. Next we are adding in onions along with some peppers. Then we're gonna cook them until they're soft and translucent. Let me say for 5 minutes or so. Here I have a 16-bean soup mix. I soaked them for 8 hours. You can even soak them overnight. Add them to the Instant Pot. Then we're gonna go ahead, add butter along with diced tomatoes. We are also going to add in crushed tomatoes. We are also adding in ground beef mixture. Next, we're gonna season with onion powder. We're gonna also add garlic and pepper seasoning. We are also adding in chili powder. Add ground cumin. Next, we are adding in carrots. We are also adding in beef broth. Guys, this soup is the best. You need to try it, guys. Give it a good mix. We are also going to add in cabbage. Then we're gonna add red pepper flakes. Cover and cook this for 2 good hours. The soup is ready guys. Now we're gonna season with salt and we're gonna add brown sugar. Then we're gonna cover it and let it sit for 30 minutes before serving. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Share it with your friends and your family, and please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time guys, bye. Honey for my honey, bye my honeys.